Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Njabulu Nkosi. I never really formally introduced myself, so I decided to make this video to introduce myself to you guys. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys about how my journey started, all the challenges I've faced, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. So to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also your comments are very much helpful in making me create better content. So please do comment under any video that you see on my page. So I'm Njabulu Nkosi. I'm from the east of Joburg. I grew up in Springs. So how I came across trading is that I used to have a day job. So I used to work for this other company in a lab as an analyst. So I was looking for alternatives to make money. So while looking for alternatives to make money, I feel like a lot of people can actually relate to what I'm saying. So I was looking for alternatives to make money. And then every time I was on the internet, I used to see something about trading. Maybe someone made money from the comfort of their own home. So that grew my interest and I was very curious. So I did some research on trading. So after doing my research on trading, I grew more interested into it. And then, I started asking people around, people I knew who were trading. While looking for alternatives to making more money, I still had a job at that time. But I got tired, of living from paycheck to paycheck, so I needed an alternative to make more money. So I saw ads on the internet about trading, so I did my research on it, and then it grew my interest. And then so I tried to start trading on my own, but things didn't work out according to plan. So that's when I met Luyanda, and I introduced him to trading, but he wasn't really interested because it was something that was new to both him and I, So a few months later, after trying to introduce Luyanda to trading, he saw some guy from KZN, which was Ashley, that Ashley had just bought a car, and he knew Ashley from back in KZN. And so he reached out to him and asked him to help us out with our trading. So I paid to attend one of Ashley's classes in Sandton. Then I went there, I got the knowledge I needed, I came back to Luyanda, and then we started working and applying what I learned today. So after that, I think that was our first turning point. That's when we started to see the lights. And then, we continued trading for a while until 2017. That's when we decided to quit our jobs and focus on trading full time because we're starting to see returns on trading. And then around that time, that's when we met Sean Benjamin, who also supported our decision in leaving our jobs and focusing on trading, because he told us that we can actually make more money from trading if we focus on it full time. So that's what we did. We resigned on the same day, me and Luyanda, and then we decided to focus on trading. But that did come with a lot of challenges. Okay, firstly, the first challenge I think we encountered was the fact that now we have a lot of time on our hands. So now we thought we could do whatever we want. So we started going out more, started spending more money, we started disrespecting money, and I feel like that was one of the mistakes that we made. So when I say we disrespected money, I feel like we take things for granted. You'd say maybe you want to spend 5,000 today, without hesitation, just spend it because you feel like I can make it back tomorrow. But then that also distracted us from the actual trading. So we started slacking. We didn't make as much money as we wanted to, but then we quickly realized that, and then we decided, we need to cut down on a few things, because once you start making money, you meet new people, you see how they live, and then they influence you, and then now you start going out more, you want to live the same way these people are living. So that's when we got lost in the sauce, me and Luyanda, but then we quickly snapped out of it, and then you've been focusing on trading ever since. And also, after going to Ashley's class in Sandton, he asked me to be a mentor under GoForex. So I joined GoForex as a mentor. So I was a mentor for GoForex for the East Rand and Bloemfontein. So that resulted in me traveling a lot, because now we'd have classes in Bloemfontein and some in here in the East Rand. So that resulted in me traveling a lot, which was also negatively affecting my trading, because now I'm not trading as much, because most of the time I'm on the road and I'm teaching people, I'm mentoring people. That's why even now I hardly accept a lot of people to mentor, because I know how time consuming it could be. So yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see like I post my life a bit there on Instagram. So some of the perks of trading for me would be the freedom that it has afforded me, because now I'm able to travel to anywhere I want. I don't have to report to anyone. I'm able now to manage my finances better. And yeah, so if maybe you can check my Instagram, you'd see how I live. And then yeah, I also post some of my results on my Instagram. I feel like trading has also helped me grow personally, because now with trading, if you're an impatient person, it will teach you how to be patient, because sometimes you'll have analysis, and then the setup takes time to actually play out the way you want it to. So you will need to be very patient. And from that, you must also respect money, because now you can't be making money and spending everything that you make. So you must always be savvy about your money. And also, ever since I started trading, a lot of things changed in my life. I'm a father now, so I have people that are dependent on me. So I'm a very, I can say that trading has also taught me responsibility in terms of managing my money, managing my time, knowing when to trade and knowing when not to trade. So I feel like a lot of people are still making the mistake of trying to trade every day. So you must know when you are trading that not every day is a trading day. So some days you look for setups, and then you might not find what you are looking for. So that means that day you are not supposed to be trading. Okay. And I'm a very shy person, me. So I try not to post too much about my life on my social media platforms. So I feel like my Instagram is just a window to show you a glimpse of my life, and to show you guys how trading has affected my life in a positive way, because a lot of people envy the lifestyle of traders, but they don't really know the challenges that we face. So there's quite a few. Firstly, it's the money aspects, that you need to make sure that you have a healthy cash flow to afford the lifestyle you want to live, and that trading has afforded me that. And also another thing is that you need to manage your time wisely. You can't now say, because you are your own boss, you can do whatever you want. No, you need to have a routine that's going to accommodate your trading, so that you can make enough money to live the life you live. Okay, to live the life you want to live. Okay, so a few people who have changed my journey in trading, at credit to Luyanda for always being by my side and being my partner in crime. A lot of people know that most things I do with Luyanda, especially when it comes to business. And yeah, there's we have a relationship beyond just trading. It's like a brotherhood now. Also credit Sean Benjamin for introducing us to I'd say to the business side of trading. So he introduced us to a lot of things that we did, like we went away off. Okay, so things like being an IB for a broker, things like having doing a copy trading for people. So those are also some other streams of income that you can actually make from trading. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's my story about trading and yeah, my journey. But if you feel like maybe there are some things that you'd like for me to touch on or to talk about with regards to my trading or my personal life, you can drop some comments on the comment section, and then maybe ask questions. Make another video to answer all the questions that you dropped on the comments below. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out this video. Yeah, and I'll make sure to drop more content and to be more consistent with the content that I post, and I'll let you in more into my life and my journey in trading. Thanks for checking out this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Peace out.